Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 6 geography class. Again I am repeat now I am conducting now class 6 geography class. So today we will start the new topic. Already the chapter 3 we are continuing with that chapter 3. Today we will start a new topic, that is weather forecast and importance. Very important topic. Last day we have completed the elements which will factor. I just want to revise once more which are the important element to denote the weather and climate. The first most important thing to denoting climate, that is latitude. Okay, so next, how the latitude is very important, because as the latitude will increase, the temperature will change, like from equator to polar region. Definitely from high to low temperature, that means temperature change, that is also affecting the weather and climate situation of that area. So these things, like second most important thing as we have learned, that is mostly important one, according to the latitude. If we will discuss, then come so many elements like temperature. Definitely temperature, temperature also affects so many things, and temperature also depends upon such many things like altitude, latitude, distance from the sea, many things. Then come to the next point, that is atmospheric pressure. As the atmospheric pressure will increase, that means that is the cold region. Temperature, if the temperature will increase, atmospheric pressure will definitely decrease. Second most important thing, wind. If the cold wind will blow from some area, that means the area is definitely, the temperature will cold, due to the cold wind temperature will decrease. If the warm wind will blow, definitely the temperature will increase. Second, then next point is humidity. As the humidity will high, that means the temperature will also warm, because warm temperature absorbs humidity. And if the temperature is very cold, then that means the less amount of humidity. Sorry. Next most important thing is precipitation. Precipitation means not only rainfall, any form when the temperature will or at any form when the water will drop down on the earth. It may be in the form of rainfall, it may be in the form of hail, maybe in the form of drizzle, in any kind. Okay, it may be in the form of dew even. Cloud cover. If the cloud coverage area is very, the area is fully covered with cloud, that means the gloomy warm temperature. But sunny shiny weather means denotes the soothing temperature. Okay, sunshine, as definitely depends upon the latitude, because low latitudinal extended area definitely get the much amount of sunshine, direct perpendicular sun ray. But whereas we are talking about the higher altitude, higher latitude, that means less amount of sun ray we will get. Okay, that will also affect the temperature or weather climate situation. Now come to today's topic, that is weather forecast and its importance. Very important topic, that is page number 26. Okay, why it is very important about that weather forecast and it's important? Because weather forecast means what is the importance of weather forecast? When weather will forecast, like just before this Umfan, okay, if weather forecasting will not be there, maybe the sailor will go to sea or to the nearest coastal region to catch the fishes, though now the social distancing we are maintain, but still few of them will go. But whereas it is already forecasted, we were concerned, still so much of disasters happen, because that is not in our hand, that is not in our hand, but which is in our hand to rescue our own life. That time already forecasted, don't come out from this time to that time, after 4 o'clock don't come out from your house or at any cost. Actually it happened. If during that Umfan we will be at any cost, we will at any emergency, if we will come out from your house, what will happen? Continuously the wires are cutting down, trees, big trees pulled over. So these disasters are happening. Thunderstorm was continuously blowing, so it will it already taken so many lives, and many more life will be taken. So weather forecasting is very important. We know the weather, but when the depression will come, that we cannot predict. That only the weather specialists, those who are working, the climatologists, those who are working with these topics, they knew how the depression already have taken their birth, how now what is their present situation, how they will spread, which position, from which direction they will blow. When we are getting such weather forecasting, we can rescue ourselves from the severe damage. Otherwise, we will lose our life like anything. Okay. So come to that point. Open page number 26. There's few points have been given. Conditions of weather such as wind direction, velocity, cloud cover guide air traffic. From there, we can guess from which direction the wind is blowing. Temperature, humidity, precipitation control the cropping pattern and cropping season of a place. Thus, a weather report helps the farmers to prepare for any changes in weather condition. So, cropping patterns also depends upon the weather. Like this year, the early monsoon will come, or this year the monsoon will come late. From these forecasting, we can guess something, or we can pretend the previous situation at least. Military operation, geographical expeditions, important sports event, all take into consideration weather forecast and recording. Very important. If the IPL has been declared, but that day the rainfall, short rainfall will happen. So will the match will go on, because crores and crores of rupees are involving in this, in such kinds of events. So definitely they are depending upon the weather forecast. Second thing, military operations. If any military, very severe military operations, but weather forecasting that area, the landslide may be taken place. Weather forecasting is not related with landslide, but heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall means mountainous region, landslide is very common. So military operations should be restricted. Then geographical expedition, if you want to go to polar region for expedition, but weather will change, ice cap start to melt, or any kind of weather prediction, any kind of thing will happen, then that thing should be shifted. Like this, we can predict. It also helps to avoid damages caused by natural climatic disasters, as such as hurricanes, cyclones. Climate scientists play an important role in alerting people of extreme weather climate, extreme weather conditions. So these things really very important for our safety. Okay. Now weather instruments like thermometer we use for measuring the temperature. You just learn this, which don't need to learn so many things from there. Only listen this word, which instruments. Just today we will discuss the name of the instrument. Thermometer for what? For measuring the temperature. Second thing, rain gauge we use for measuring the rainfall. Barometer we use for measuring air pressure. Wet and dry bulb thermometer also used for humidity is measured by this. Wind vane and anemometer, and wind vane direction, anemometer speed of the wind. So what is your home task for this week? You will draw these pictures like thermometer. Practice this picture, rain gauge, barometer. These three pictures you practice at your home. Again I am repeating. Practice these three pictures, thermometer, barometer and rain gauge at your home. These things, from there you, maybe for that latter I will tell you that what should we do, but practice it in your geography copy. And next day we will learn about the detail of this instrument. Today you will learn only the importance of the weather forecast and its importance. Next day we will go to the detailing about the thermometer, how we will measure, or what is its importance. Okay, so wait for the next class. This topic is very important. Move slowly but very carefully, understand very carefully. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask over me through the dpsj helpdesk@gmail.com, address like dear mom, and send me your query. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye and be safe.